So guys, boy, may I tell you, this natural hair thing is really a struggle, May I fight with my hair. I fight with my hair today. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you. I don't know what to do with this hair. This hair is getting on top of my last nerve. Okay, so I tried my regular little, my go-to updo style where I just put the band in it and push it up, but it just wasn't acting right. It's just not acting right. So okay, so I slicked it up in a ponytail, and I found this curly ponytail that I had some time ago. I've had it for a while now. So I bought this ponytail for like $10 or $11 some time ago at the beauty supply store, and this just have to work. So I decided, okay, let me put this ponytail on. I fought with the ponytail for a while. So I got some pins and I decided I'm gonna pin this ponytail on. The ponytail just wouldn't act right. It just wouldn't, guys. I'm telling you, this natural hair thing is really a struggle, It's really a struggle. So anyway, after about 1,000 pins later, I started to get it in place. I started to get it to act a little bit rightish. So, so I was trying to get bangs and the whole shebang with the ponytail. But boy, I'm telling you, after about 1,000 pins later, though, it started looking a little bit better until, yeah, I think this is it, guys. I think I finally got it. Yeah. So guess what? Guess what's going to happen for this week? This ponytail is going to be my best friend for this week. Matter of fact, I don't even think I'm going to take it off. I think I'm going to tie my head up with it so it stays in place. And then I think I'm just going to use my brush and just brushing the edges in the mornings when I get up. Yeah. Yeah. That's the solution to this problem. This ponytail, I'm going to be rocking this ponytail all week this week. Finally, look at it. Look at it. Finally, it looked like it's taking shape. Finally. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, it's done. I'm done with the hairdo. I'm not doing it anymore. Okay? I'm struggling, guys. I'm struggling.